Introduction. Hello friends, have you ever watched the sky at night? It is full of little twinkling stars and a moon. Where do these stars and moon live? Come, let us find out. Objectives. At the end of this course, you'll be able to know the various parts of our universe, describe star, planet, and the moon. Friends, all that we see in the sky is just a part of the universe. There are many stars, planets, and satellites in the universe. They all appear to be very small, though they are too far from us, but actually they are very large in size. Do you know that our planet Earth is also a part of the universe? There are many stars in the sky. Do you know that our sun is also a star? Due to presence of many hot gases burning together, the sun looks like a big ball of fire. The sun gives us heat and light, which is necessary for us to survive on Earth. The sunlight and heat is also necessary for plants to grow and live. It is a universal fact that the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Friends, as we know that there are a large number of stars in the sky, some stars shine bright and some do not. You can also notice that some stars are single, while others come in as a group or collection to form different shapes and patterns. Look, this one is called Great Bear. This bright shining star is a pole star that always seen at the same place. So after getting knowledge of stars, now we move on to the next topic, that is planets. Before some time, Pluto was considered as the 9th planet of our solar system, but according to the recent research, it is no more counted as the 9th planet. So there are only 8 planets in our solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Do you know the fact that the life is possible on planet Earth only because of presence of water and oxygen? On other planets, there is no clue of presence of oxygen and water. Apart from this, the extreme temperature is also not suitable for the existence of life on other planets. Moon is the only natural satellite of planet Earth. It revolves around the Earth in its own orbit. At night, we can also see the moon in the sky. Most of you also know it as Chandamama. You'll be surprised to know that the shape of moon appears to change every day. Dear friends, sometimes you observe that the moon appears perfectly round. This day is called a full moon day, while sometimes we cannot see moon in the sky. This day is known as New Moon Day. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. Summary. Now friends, let's summarize what we have learned so far. Universe has all stars, planets, satellites, and the living beings and non-living things in it. Sun is a star. The sunlight and heat is necessary for animals and plants. Stars in the sky appears either single or in groups. There are 8 planets in our solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Moon can be seen in the sky at night. Moon appears to change its shape every night.